Hey everyone, this video is a guide on how you can install the Dockerized PI Planning app. Before we start, make sure that Docker is installed on your server. So we start by downloading the Docker images. You can find the link in our documentation and I will put the links in the description of this video. Now we upload this to the server. We unpack the Docker images and load it onto the server. Now we download the installer and unpack it as well. Enter this folder. In this folder you can find a file called piplanning.cfg. In this file we need to change the host name. In this case here we take the IP of our server. It even makes sense to change this password, that makes it a little bit safer. Now we save this file. Make the installer ready and install everything. This creates all the Docker containers and starts them up. Copy the setup URL and paste it into your browser. We highly recommend to use Chrome for that. Fill out the form, company name, admin name, password and confirm the password. Press go. Now we can log in to the setup tool for the first time. We can create some teams, but we don't have any licenses yet, so we can't work with them in a PI planning. So we navigate to the settings. Here we can find out our server ID. Copy the server ID and send it to service@rentouch.ch. We will provide you with a trial license. You can copy-paste this license into this license field and press update. In this example here, we now have 12 active licenses, which we can assign to the teams. That's it about the first setup of the server-based PI Planning app. We are always ready to guide you through the whole installation process. Just reach out to us and we will support you and answer all of your questions. Go for it. Thank you for watching.